Morning, here's where we stayed last night. This particular tea house only has 2 rooms, but check out the view. Even this is building to my right is the, oh my god, it is the dining hall. Check out the view. Last night it was so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. I'm at the back of the property. It was so beautiful. The moon was out, the stars were out, and got a little bit of snow on the ground. Frost. But this view, unbelievable. Okay, so I'm back in the front. That building is no longer operational. It was once a lodge, a tea house. It's no longer the case. That's no longer the case. All right, let's take a quick look at the dining hall. We had our dinner here. Wood burning fireplace. Right. Hi. Wood burning fireplace. Really nice dining hall with views. Those are the views. Right. It's everything you need to stay warm. Check out our host right here. He's our breakfast as usual. We're getting it to go. 4 eggs, Tibetan bread with peanut butter. Love the kitchen. Check out the kitchen where they cook all the meals. Just right here. Oh, that's my alarm. My water is ready. All the meals. What's important, I want to show you their menu and how big it is. So this is the menu. Look how many different items they have. Okay, scroll through, love. That's page 1. Page 2.
I mean, there's easily over 100 on here.
Wait a minute. They have salads, snacks, pizza. And look at that. Okay, one more.
Apple fritter.
Apple fritter.
They always have Snickers.
Alright. Got Coca-Cola for you, Snickers, and it's all cooked from this one clay wood burning stove. It is so impressive. Okay, I'm gonna let you check out the room where we stayed. Only 2 rooms. We snagged one of 2. Okay, here we go. 2 rooms. So there's one room. This is our room. Excuse me. There's a window, and this is a second bed. It's not too big. It's pretty basic. We were able to get this room for free because we agreed, as usual, to eat all of our meals here on site. Let's see if I can open this window. Hold on. It's not the best view. Okay, so this is with the window open. Hold on a sec. Trying to do it. And yeah. Alright, so this is it. Oh, we have a light. Powered by solar power. Let's look at the bathroom really quick. So this was the other room that we didn't go. Alright, so this place is amazing. It's the view, the hospitality. That's so amazing. Alright. Remember this? Alright, here's a squatty potty. Alright, the water to flush it, the squatty potty to handle your business. That little thing over there is to throw out the nasty yasty. That's it. We stayed here. I would stay here again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but oh my god, I leave you with this.